Guys, welcome back to Graveyard Creepers. I started to sculpt the other day, and I'm just using Sculpting. And the more you knead that thing, the softer it gets, the easier it is to work with. On the side of his face here, you can see how I've got these lines exaggerated for just some texture in his skull space, because we're going to cover that. So we want a little bit more exaggerated than you probably would for a regular mask. So that's why it's a little more exaggerated. But you see how I have all the lines going down towards the chin. If you look at this side, I have them all back going towards the jaw, back of the jaw. So we're going to reposition this side and bring him forward. And we're going to try to redo his upper lip just a little bit and maybe put some eyelids on him. So let's get started on that, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. So here's what we got, guys. We got some interior latex black paint and some paper towels, and now we're going to wrap this guy. Okay guys, I just mixed up some different greens and reds and yellows and different stuff like that. And we're just dry brushing him on there, just kind of getting some different layers of colors. We don't want to, you know, cover up everything that we already did. We just trying to add to what we did, so just kind of keep that in mind. Missing yellows, greens, some browns. Get you a mixture of colors in there. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. So there you go. Let's clear coat the tongue. Polish for the mouth. The tongue and stuff I'm just going to use 2 times clear. Hopefully anyway. Okay. All right, so we're gonna let that dry and we'll come back and we're gonna add blood to it. So we're gonna try to put some of this chunk blood on here, if possible. Alright guys, there you go. There's our paper towel zombie. You can actually take this pipe and you can make him arms and legs, and you can do the whole thing in paper towels. We wrapped him up in we dunked the paper towels in black latex interior house paint, and we just put it on there. Then we just dry brushed a bunch of different colors on him. I think it turned out pretty good. And after he dried a little bit, we sprayed some clear coat on him just to kind of protect him from weather. Now guys, I'm not a sculptor, so this is like my first one. And all I did was put Sculpting on a skull. Now I use Nightmare Maker's skulls. And but you can use a plastic one as well, however you want to do it. Or you just make it all out of Sculpting or whatever. Now, I couldn't bake the Sculpting, but what I did try to do is I used a heat gun and heated up the Sculpting. And the heat gun made that sucker hard. You just gotta be careful and just do it a little bit at a time. It hardened right up. So that's kind of what I got. I know it's nothing perfect, but it's something that you guys can do and make you some kind of a zombie. I think it looks pretty cool. I mean, the detail in the head, I don't know how well you can see it, but it all just turned out pretty decent. I added a tongue inside and some blood down the side, some bloodshot eyes, and I'm not very good at eyes either, so it's just something I was trying to do. But even if you're not good at it, guys, just work at it, and eventually you'll get good. I'm hoping I'll get good at it eventually. But there you go. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And go and check out the Trio of Terror Facebook page. And become a member there. Post all your builds and stuff you make. And we'd love to see what you got. And check out my brothers in arms, Keith at Cobwebs and Candlesticks, and Dave at the Weird Kid Show. And we appreciate you guys watching. And as always, guys, it don't have to be perfect. Just build it. Keep it creepy.